you heading out to Japan soon and you're not sure about what to pack? Don't worry, I got you. Watch till the end for some bonus tips. Let's start with clothing. The key to spring in Japan is dressing up in layers. The weather can really fluctuate, so pack thermals, a warm jacket, and a cardigan. Think layers, layers, and layers. I did not pack any thermals with me, so I made a trip to Uniqlo. They have a large range of thermal options. Chose these thermals right here. I like them so much, so I went and bought more of these. At one point, I double layered them and they kept me warm throughout my holiday. When it comes to pants, I recommend taking casual pants or trousers over jeans. Jeans are great, but you will be walking a lot throughout the day. You will be spending most of the time outside and you will be eating a lot of good food. And jeans doesn't really have that stretchability factor, whereas pants do. So I recommend taking pants over jeans. Pack some midi skirts and maxi skirts and midi and maxi dresses. You can wear your thermals underneath it. No one will know. It will keep you warm. You will look stylish for all of those photos, and they're also temple friendly. It can also be easily layered with all of the other items you're packing. Pack a rain jacket. When we were in Tokyo, Mount Fuji, and Kyoto, it rained almost every single day, and I wish I packed a rain jacket with me. We bought an umbrella, but a rain jacket would have really helped. Let's talk about shoes. Comfortable walking shoes are a must if you are traveling to Japan. You'll be doing an average of 25,000 steps a day. A neutral sneaker would be a great choice, and if you have comfy boots that don't weigh a ton, you might want to bring those too. Let's move on to accessories. These are a few accessories I would pack. Scarf and a beanie will be a great way to style your outfits, and they will also provide that extra warmth. Sunglasses, because while it rains, the weather can really fluctuate, and having a pair of sunglasses will always help. Now for the bonus tips. Pack light. I know I've given you this extensive list of what to pack, and now I'm saying pack light. How does it make sense? Japan's shopping scene is something else. Have so many shops, so many options, vintage options, and you might want to shop for a new closet while you're there. And if you go with a full packed bag, where are you going to fit all of those new purchases? Take the essentials with you and pack light. Don't pack more than one pair of sneakers. The sneaker scene in Japan is just something else. Again, if you pack too many shoes, don't have space to bring all of those new sneakers in. One pair of comfy sneakers should be enough. Don't pack night clothes. This is going to be an unpopular opinion, so take it or leave it. Every single hotel that we've been to, they provided us with night clothes, and I thought all the night clothes that I packed was a waste of space. I had to lug it around all the different places that I was visiting. It was bulky. Frankly, I could have done not packing any of my night clothes because we were provided with every single hotel that we visited. Last tip would be to dress modestly. Even though Japan's becoming a little bit more trendier now, dressing modestly can really help you as you're visiting temples and shrines. With these tips, you will be ready to conquer spring in Japan and look fabulous while doing it. Happy travels!